Class squad ranked or rank?
Okay, guys, we are playing Kala, whatever, something class squad ranked. So, not all players are ready. My mom's mobile got formatted. I don't have a minimum level, so I have a new account. I just go normal. Bye bye. So, BG goes, Bavir, what happened? Okay, we are playing.
Who's this guy?
What happened, guys? I'm recording a video.
Now that's it. Start.
Yeah, hope you guys. What happened?
Bagus.
Come on. We need to
BG Guzi.
start. Okay, we are playing Kalahari, so hope you guys will enjoy this video. It's my new account. I'm level 2. It's sub to STR58 blah blah blah. Even my Minecraft series, I'm gonna start a new series because it got updated. Not updated. My mobile got formatted, and I have a default skin with a shirt. I'm gonna punch you in the face. Don't have anything here. I don't have anything. I kept Kalahari. It's Kalahari.
How many accounts do you have, Ray?
4. Almost 5. Many accounts. I have many accounts.
Vedant,
Ah.
kept rank, at least the rank would increase.
I don't have level. I don't have minimum level.
Then you should have left. I would send you.
I'm in level 2.
I'm mad fellow. Everyone should be level 13. To play ranked game, not one
Yeah.
in person who's sending you.
Listen. Don't jump at refinery, whatever you do, okay?
I'm level 40. Make me the jump master. Vedant, let's play in refinery.
It's no, not refinery. We'll die. Okay.
Most of them will come, but I know we'll get kills also.
We will
send us a request, Vedant. See, Vedant, you send us a request.
never mind this thing.
Right?
No.
Stop following everybody.
Okay.
Wait, stop following everybody.
We will die here, so I'm going somewhere else.
Ray.
We will die here, I'm going somewhere else. Bye bye. You might die.
Where are you going, Ray?
Going to a jeep. I went to a jeep.
There's somebody landed here. Kill them off, they all blue game.
I'm lagging. I don't know. Yup, I'm fine now. Wait a second, let me reduce the game volume.
I have a damn
I don't have anything. I only have a car, which I can run over people. I can run. Wait a second, what just happened? Shit.
Yes, I found it.
Guys, I need to run. I need to run away. Shit. Where's the jeep? Where's the jeep go?
We don't know. I want it. My Wi-Fi. You're using my Wi-Fi.
Why am I every time teleporting to my car? Every minute.
Do you want any ammo?
I have only an MP.
Wait.
I only have an MP5 here.
And I want it. I want to give shot.
Guys, I'm coming towards you.
Why did you knock him, Ree? Because you are going to die. You're spaceless. What was Henry? Any stupid fellow. You're not with my friend.
I'm coming towards you. I don't know the road to refinery. I'm a very good person. Guys, I'm a very good person. I use roads. I'm not an off-road driver. I don't. Adri, there is somebody right beside you. Or Bavir. Ow. Okay, forget what I just said. Guys, I'm coming to you. Coming to save you. If you need help. If you need to get saved. Hello? I came. Uber is here. Uber is here. Sir, Uber is here. Do you mind coming?
Oh, wow. I want full ammo. I don't have any ammo.
Uber is here. Don't keep me waiting. Else you will get a bullet in your head. Come on.
I found
Will somebody come towards me or am I going to be leaving? Staying up.
Where is the person? Down, huh?
Yeah, down, down. I can
Oh,
see
I'm
him.
coming.
He's actually shooting at me and I can't see him right now. Because I'm in a vehicle. Ow, ow. I need to go, man. We are going in a fight.
Where is he?
I can't see him. He just disappeared into air. I don't have ammo. I repeat, I don't have ammo.
Are there?
Scar.
You have MP4. I repeat, I want AR ammo.
I took it.
Anybody wants SMG? Get them.
I want SMG ammo. I want SMG ammo. Does anyone have a shotgun? Extra shotgun?
So what is it?
Just grab it. Guys, can you tell me where are you?
Sorry guys, I can't give you any ammo.
I only need one thing right now.
There's no person
Shot,
here.
shotgun. Yes, shotgun.
I only got one.
Did you just take that shotgun? How dare you? I wanted the shotgun. Does anyone have a shotgun ammo? Does anyone have shotgun ammo? I need shotgun ammo. I need shotgun ammo. Shotgun ammo.
వాడు వాల్ దగ్గర ఉండే నేను వెనకాల వస్తున్నా పెద్ద రూపు గాడు భయపడి
Oh my gosh, I just jumped from a bullet. Actually, I almost died.
ఎక్కడున్నాడు చచ్చిపోయాడు
Guys, please, I can't even see I can see one guy. I can see one person. I got a headshot. But he didn't die. I knocked one down. Ow! I'm being shot. Please, I'm being shot. Guys, support. I'm going to get one kill. Does anyone have a medkit? Medkit. A medkit. I got a kill. Yay.
I have only
I want a medkit.
Who shot you?
No, I killed him. Medkit. I need a medkit. Please, medkit. Yep, thanks. I need to heal up. Yep. Where are they?
I'll also play after some time.
Bhavir, you just got shot. Guys.
Hello, Shodan.
Guys.
I'll play after some time, okay?
Someone is haunting us. I don't know. Adrit, behind you. Adrit, follow me. Adrit, follow me. Does anyone have shotgun ammo? Anyone have shotgun ammo? I'm tired of asking. Adrit, shotgun ammo.
Need
a shotgun ammo.
So then, they need to get activity.
Who is talking?
There was another.
Why is there a shot? You just got him. I was about to get him killed. I just Shotgun ammo. I hate this is so bad. Gonna grab all the air ammo before Adrit does. Grab the last. Adrit, Stop killing everybody. I want shotgun ammo right now. Why is shotgun ammo so rare?
I don't shotgun ammo. You can do the long range gun, na.
I want shotgun. Shotgun is good for close range. I have a shotgun, but I don't have ammo. Guys, follow me. Follow me.
You want? Hey, Shodan, Shodan. Something is coming.
Wait, 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 wait.
Hello, Shodan.
Wait a second.
Arey, I missed
The drop
you.
is.
Oh, come here.
Bavir, wait. Adrit, wait for me. Wait for me. Ow, ow, ow.
Wait, there is a guy. I'll do
I
rocket
know.
to him.
I knocked him. I knocked her.
Follow me.
Ah, finally got a. Why am I having a
Hello,
muscle
Bhavir.
gun? Not a shot.
What? ఇక్కడ వెళ్ళిపోతున్నావా?
Who
Cut,
stole
what?
my shotgun ammo? Hey, wait for me. Wait for me, Adrit. Wait for me, dummy dum dum dum. Wait for me.
There's a guy here. Oh, that is Vedanta.
Wait for
Knock that guy down.
me. Wait for me.
I knocked that guy. Kill him.
Arey, wait for me. Wait for me.
ఎవరితో మాట్లాడుతున్నావు? I knocked that guy.
Wait for me. Wait for me.
The other guy is mine.
I can see one. I'm gonna punch him to death. Ah.
అరే ఏం మాట్లాడుతున్నావు బాబేర్?
Never mind. That was just this guy in front of me. Actually, need all of my guns locked and loaded, even if it's a pistol.
బాబేర్ నీ ఫ్రెండ్ కూడా అదే గేమ్ లో ఉన్నాడా? లేదు ఆడుతున్నా ఇక్కడ. నాక్ చేసాను. చంపేసావు. నాక్ కిల్ హిమ్ అంటావు. అరే యామో ఏఆర్
Need to recover. Need to heal up. I think I'm gonna take a lot of damage right here. Gonna take a lot of damage. I'm gonna take a lot of damage. Oh, survived. Ah, dead. Oh, I didn't take. Ow, I took damage. What is just a...
అరే దిస్ గైస్
Bavir is killing everyone. He's on a rage. One guy killed you with a dagger. What am I hearing?
Arey kill him please.
I can't.
Arey why you are also far?
I'm coming towards him. Trying to.
Revive me, guys, revive me. Others revive me. Others Arey I'm too revive me fast. I did so much damage. He's not near me. Arey revive me.
Yeah, coming. I'm running. I'm running. Don't worry. I'm running. Come.
Revive.
Doing.
Do it fast.
Done.
No.
Got him.
Got him.
Got him.
I killed him. You killed the guy who knocked me. Come revive.
Ow. I'm being knocked. I'm being shot. Ow. Adrit.
Come first, revive.
Adrit,
Don't
run.
move, please.
Run.
You kill the guy first.
I'm coming to support you. Shit. Come on.
I gave it. I had only left.
Coming to revive you, Bo. You both died. Actually.
I told you not to go there.
Guys, I was almost there. Can't just expect me to run. There are two more guys. Don't worry. I will do this match. I will win this. We will win this. Your remains are going into the zone. I'll just heal up quick. Don't worry. Where is everyone? There's only one person left. Where is he? Get out of here. I can hear someone shooting, but I can't see the last person.
He's behind you.
Behind me? There is nothing but the desert waste area. Can't see anything.
Hey, behind something or I heard something. Stay here. Don't. Okay. Yes. No. Yeah. Arey, go front and go right.
Huh?
Go front and right. Right. Arey, where are you running in open space?
Your voice is not clear. Your voice is not clear.
Yeah. Arey, dumb fellow, move there.
Where?
Arey, go in the corner of these both buildings. Houses.
Yeah. Where?
Go left.
Left.
He's not up.
Where?
Left. Stop there. Idiot, you're not under cover. If he gives you one headshot, you'll die. Ah.
Happy?
No.
Happy? I'm in
I
cover.
have
Covered. I have cover.
Vedant, follow what is go left.
Which left? Your left or my left? I'm going my left.
And you go straight and right.
Straight
Down
and
right. Go straight. Stop. Right. Hey, don't run. Go back now. Arey, right. Stay in cover. There.
I'm just
Arey,
gonna.
where are you going? Stay in cover.
I'm equipped with my shotgun. Just in case.
The place I'm telling you, you have two sides. Two sides of group. That's it.
Listen, that
No,
guy
I
is
will
going to die in the zone if he doesn't come towards me. Because I'm gonna
I
shot.
go front, left, again go left. Immediately left. Arey, go in the corner. Go in the corner.
Ha, fine.
Arey, idiot. There to your left. Look at idiot. What a big noob.
I'm here. Here.
I have to take a checker of this house.
Yeah. Should I take a chakkar of this house as if we're taking a puja or what?
Stop. Arey, why are you turning? Don't move. Don't walk.
I won.
Walk straight.
He died in the zone. He died in the zone. Epic.
For a big move action.
Guy actually died in the zone because he might. Will equip that skin later. I don't care. The skin. Wow, I got a shotgun skin. Claim.
Vedant, they need to clash for rank.
I don't have enough levels.
For clash for rank also.
Guys, I wanna tell you something.
So that when we died no wait, I also say. 46%.
Never mind.
What Vedant? What?
Sorry, 1 second. I'll come back in a minute. I'm disbanding the group. Tata. Had to do it, guys, because don't have a pet. I can't afford it. Don't want.
Okay,
Where is
listen,
collection? Huh?
listen what I'm saying. I need a charging for night time the movie ka.
Okay.
Okay, 8:30 you're finishing.
Yeah.
हाँ है क्या?
Yeah.
हाँ.
2 minutes, Dumbos. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Let me equip this. 2 minutes. Confirm. Wait. Couldn't you guys wait for 2 minutes? Add Bavir. Add barbecue sauce.
Team doesn't fill the required waste.
Where is barbecue?
He won't play Kapil. No wait, I don't know. Yeah. He's in group with somebody else.
Wait, 2 minutes. Guys. What is Adri doing? What is up to? What is he up to? I don't know. Do I have some rewards? Wow, reward. This looks better. Okay. Invite me in now. Invite me in, boy. Yup, sent him. Invite. Invite. I'm sending you, bro. Wow, this is sent you. I'm just gonna spam it. Let's start.
I Vedant 1 minute.
Okay, guys. This is my first time playing Clash Squad in my second account. This is my first time, playing Clash Squad in this account because I never played. Are we Warbringers or are we Haulers? Just gonna. I don't wanna place anything. Adrit,
Hello, Vedant.
Yeah.
Okay, so mute those both people.
Adrit, you stay
Okay,
with me.
Vedant, listen.
Ah,
Vedant, listen.
listen, I'm listening.
We increase your level to 8, level 8. Did you sign in with Google, Facebook, or guest?
My mom's mobile got format, so I signed in like Google. No, guest.
Yeah, so it is guest, so it is okay. I'm telling you, listen.
Ah,
Soon when you play solo, when you are not playing with me and your, I mean, when you're not playing with us, you increase your level to level 8.
fine.
That
Come,
time you can play with us class or rank also.
come with me. We both will stick together. I can see one person. They occupied this yellow house buildings. They occupied the yellow buildings. Understood? That's their whereabouts. Somebody of us knocked. Nobody called ARJ. Just come, following you, right behind you.
Vedant, from outside the building, please. I am going into the building. I mean, I went.
Yeah, I'm inside. I'm right beside you.
Where are they?
I don't know. They were in this building when I saw.
Now just run away. That's it.
Oh, how are we gonna escape? Is this how?
Oh my goodness, fall damage. No need of fall damage. Wait.
We didn't. I didn't take fall
Huh?
damage. I didn't take fall damage. We won. We
Yeah.
won. I couldn't. How did we win?
Maybe all the players are offline. Come on, you can enjoy this game.
I bought P90.
I also unlocked, but you know Thompson, M1887 and M1014 are the best guns actually.
Huh? What is M187?
You know if you buy Champion, if you buy, Arey Vedant, come with me.
Oh, match started. How did one get knocked already? Uh, how did? How are there just one person alive? They're noobs, actually. Where are you? What the hell?
Victoria.
How are we winning? This is dumb. How in the world are we winning right now? I have a huge.
It's okay, just enjoy.
My brain is dead. Like almost. I don't have any idea what is happening right now. I have a shotgun and a P90. Where are you? They're not.
I have a Champion minute.
What is happening?
Vedant, if they are offline players, if they
Huh?
are Victoria,
What is this?
it's okay, enjoy. You get free mail level.
Just please, this time it should be a fun match. I don't, I want.
From starting to them, wasting my bullets.
Where are you? Bhuvi, I'm coming to. You have a West level
See
3
how
also.
it come victory.
No, it won't. This time I don't want it to come victory. We must win this with our hard work. I want that to happen. Where are they? Shit, I saw one.
Oh, they are there.
Well, they're spamming grenades. Oh my gosh, Oh, they're OP, they're spamming grenades everywhere.
It's
Oh,
okay, that's why I'm coming
oh,
from behind.
ow. I'm dead.
Extra, why were you with them? I told you to follow me.
I
I
didn't
have
know, I
prayer.
couldn't see you.
They can't throw grenades behind them.
Tower signal
They were just spamming grenades everywhere. I
Now that
knocked.
is what their plan is now.
Booyah.
But,
They still lost.
I got triple kill. I got triple kill.
I got one kill. We won. The most.
That's why I was telling, do not get knocked. It will be best. Yes, I'm the master of my team.
Mm, me? I was second.
Yeah.
I knew it because I'm also pro. A very good pro. Get ready. No. Clash Squad. Clash Squad is fun. I want. What are you saying? I can only hear blah 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 blah. Oh yeah. For a second. Wait. Hi. Adrit, hi.
Vedan, walls.
Huh?
Did you buy glue walls?
I'm buying now.
Fast.
I
Come
bought
fast.
two. I bought two glue walls.
Run.
Running.
Put and run with me. Put
Yeah.
hand and run behind me quickly.
I'm running in front of you. Why did this guy waste a glue wall?
Do not kill anybody. Do not do chade chat with them. Don't even care even if they're hitting you. Don't care if they're shooting you.
Yeah, cause I just got shot. Come towards me. Come with me. Quick, 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 quick.
Wait, let me put the glue wall. Vedan, don't put glue wall there.
Glue wall kept. Glue wall kept.
You have a glue wall.
I kept the glue walls. Put it there. Put two there.
See, how did you put it?
Put
Yes,
here.
why did you put it like this?
Put here. Put here. Put here. What are you doing?
I put already.
One person is knocked. We are only
Idiot,
two.
you put the glue wall in such a dumb way.
Why?
I went off down.
Why? Come on. Why did you go down?
That is not the way. You just have to put it in one place. Let them come up. When they come up, you have to kill them and shoot them.
Yeah,
If you don't let them come up, how will you shoot them?
they will die in the zone.
They won't. The blue wall will get vanished in system.
I don't know English. Please speak Hindi.
I'm trying to shoot. Shit.
Okay.
I'm dead. Oh my gosh, I almost died. One person just committed suicide.
So
I
I'm
guess.
telling you, you're a big noob. With these noob days also dying.
I'm in a noob account. What can you expect from me?
Who cares about what your account is?
Adrit.
See, I have only a single. I have a G18 and I knocked two people. I am the only one alive now. I can't get revived also.
I'm the only one. I'm coming down. This zone locked the staircase.
Stay in the middle. Hurry, wait on. Just kill him. Just kill him. Just kill him. Just
Killing.
kill him.
Knocked. Knocked him down. Die quick. I need your medkits. I need your medkits.
Bend. Just bend and take medkit. Quickly take medkit.
He doesn't have. I'm dead. Shit. He didn't have a
You don't have
medkit.
medkit.
No, he didn't have. He didn't
You
have.
don't have not.
No, I didn't have.
Where did you use your medkit, Sri? You would win it easily. If I would stay up, I would win it. I went to kill those people and I knocked 3 people.
I knocked one. No,
Only one guy was left. That guy came and
no,
killed you.
there were two guys left. I killed him and I
Vedan,
died.
come with.
Yeah, where are you? Coming with you. I have the cheapest
Vedan,
gun.
you go ahead.
Huh?
Which gun do you have?
I have an M10.
Yeah, okay, go, run from back. I'm coming. Go, you run.
Coming.
Don't go side, hurry. Follow, straight.
Can't see anyone.
Idiot. You're a big blind guy. You can't see anybody.
No, actually.
I
I have a long range. Wow, we won almost. Where's the last? I killed him. I'm stealing his AK. I stole
I
everything.
didn't get anything.
I stole everything of his. Shotty. Wow, I don't have glue walls. I only have a shotty and a AK. Okay?
3 glue walls for 4 grenades.
0 glue walls.
Vedan, will you come with me?
I don't have a glue wall. Yeah, I'm coming. Come.
Come with me. It's okay, you come.
I have tools close range, a AK and a shot AE shotgun.
I have a thumb here to someone.
A Tommy. You have a Tommy. You're a Tommy, bruh.
Come here quickly.
Yup. I can see one person. Nope. False alarm. The zone
We
will.
don't look backside, okay? Look if someone is coming into the kill. I will take care of it.
Yup. I will take care of the butt. But don't worry, the zone has blocked our entrance and our exit, and we are locked in here forever because of your dumbness.
No,
We are locked in here forever. See, your dumbness caused us our life.
no, where am I locked?
How did you even jump that far?
It's so close. Why can't we jump?
I'm not good in parkour.
Where are you?
I'm shooting one person. I knocked one down. Shit, I'm getting shot. I'm getting shot.
Oh, you're down now. Wait.
I knocked one guy. Make sure he doesn't revive him. Sure he doesn't get revived. No, shit, he got revived. Ow, ow.
I knocked him out.
No, even I knocked him, but he got revived. He's that lucky guy got revived. Mr. Lucky got revived right now. How did I get to $0? I had $100 left, I guess.
Vedant, come follow me.
I don't know where you are.
On your left, there are many people.
I knocked one down. Kill that.
There's another guy who's
Kill that guy.
ready
Kill
to-
that guy. I need to steal the medkits. Okay.
I knocked another guy.
Ow. There's one person in front of me. And there's one person in front of me. He went into the zone. I killed him. I got 2 kills. Double kill.
पिक्चर का सीन कोई मेरे पास टॉप गन्स है.
What are you singing?
Vedant, take grenades and glue balls, okay?
I just bought a. I have a AK and a.
आंटी को काला
Yeah, I'm running behind you. You're just going. You're running too fast. Where are you? Oh, you are right here. Hey, what? You just locked us in forever. What if we get like stuck and the glue wall? You know. I knocked one person down. Headshot. Make sure nobody comes near him. Making sure. Hey, get out of this building. Get out of that building. I knocked two. Both headshots. Kill them. 3 kills. What should I buy? Both buying glue walls. Buying grenades and glue walls everywhere. One smoke. Glue walls. I have 15 glue walls, 9 grenades, 1 smoke. Understood? 15 glue walls, 9 grenades.